Hello guys, welcome to Skiller. So I will show you how to make list item, and I will show you two method list item like unordered list and order list with HTML. So let's start. So I will make just like this one. Okay. So I just write the code here. So first of all, I will just this to tag and also make another S2 tag like order list item. Okay. So if you want to make another list, then you can just like ul li, then into you can just import number how many list you need like three, and it's ready. But if you want to like no command like ul li, then you can add just copy and you can just t and then this is the unordered list. But if you need to make the order list, then you can just copy this one. You just need to change this tag like OL. This is the order list. Just if I save it, is the change. So that's it, and thank you for the watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel if you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.